Well, this is a beautiful 280Z, just restored here by California Datsun. And I'm going to go over what we did, show you some of the tasteful upgrades that this client chose, and give you a little bit more detail of what is inside. So, we've done a few of these videos. Let's start with the front of the car. We got our normal LED headlight conversion. Keep that road nice and bright at night. Beautiful front air dam with our 240Z skinny bumper conversion. That looks sharp. Brand new emblems. This one is finished in a Lexus pearl white, so it's brilliant white color. We got some super nice Panasport wheels, 16-inch Bridgestone tires, our California Datsun mirrors. Of course, all the bright work is polished as normal. No disc brakes on this one, but brand new factory style drum brakes. We did the taillight panel finisher in the same white. Nice exhaust, good sounding Z. Beautiful car. This is a 1978. Take a look on the inside of this one. Customer wanted to keep it very original as far as the color, so that's what we did. This is the Nissan brown that it came with, but completely redone, reupholstered, new carpet, new headliner, new dash, nice upgraded steering wheel, new Alpine stereo system, ice cold air conditioning. Everything works as it should. Really nice in here. I'll come around the side to show you the door panels and a little closer look of the interior. Door panels are really clean. Go ahead and pop the hood and show you what's inside. Rebuilt the whole motor, the transmission, the differential. There we go. A lot of it is basically what it was when it was born. Stock fuel injection system. We upgraded the fuel rail, added some new pigtails for the fuel injection. Got a cold air intake on there. Nice ceramic coated header. New high performance coil. Brand new aluminum radiator. Awesome powder coated black valve cover. Come around the other side. You got some more upgrades in here. You see some of the fuel pressure regulator that we did there. New alternator and gear reduction starter. There's part of that air conditioning system. Nice battery with all new cabling. New hoses. Basically new everything. Wheels, tires, brakes, motor, transmission, rear end, half shafts, paint and body. Everything we do on these restorations like normal. Polish the wiper arms even. This car's gorgeous. I love it. And it's going back to its owner here in a couple of days. Take a look at that interior. Reupholstered seats. Again, when you choose your restoration, you get to choose all the colors and whatnot that you want, but this gentleman wanted the original factory brown. So there you go. Fully restored, beautifully running, ice cold air conditioned 1978 Nissan 280Z. Thank you again for watching, and if you're looking for a Z to be restored here by California Datsun, please give me a call. My name is Al Allen and I am the owner, and I appreciate you watching, and we'll pause until we get another one out here. Thanks again. Bye-bye.